Yeah, it's MP, the Jamaican Greenface. And it's so sad. I'm going home, where are you? Should have known this would have happened. And I ain't capping. Should've known you were gonna leave me alone. No text message, no calls coming to my phone. I should have known that you would do this to me. I guess it's my destiny to be alone, Remember when you call my phone, text me, won't leave me alone. But no, you don't call me, yeah, you don't text me, yeah, I should have known. Should have known you would do this to me. I don't know what's happened, all that's happened is my destiny to be heartbroken and be alone. I remember days when she used to call my phone, but now she is gone, she's like a ghost. Remember when she was here doing the most, but now she's gone, haunting me in my memories. I gotta see that it's my destiny to be alone. Be alone. To be alone. To be alone. And I really don't wanna be alone. Be alone. I don't wanna be alone. But I'ma be alone. It's my destiny to be alone, apparently, yeah. And now I see, yeah, they're not gonna stay, they're just gonna be there for a while and go, yeah. They will cheat on you, they're just a set of hoes, yeah. I should have knew that you were gonna leave. I should have known you were gonna deceive me, then leave me, mistreat me. It's a good thing you couldn't beat me, but you beat me mentally. It's like you put me through slavery. I remember when I called you baby, and you called me honey, but no, I feel like a dummy. Forever trusting you, I really should have known that you were just like the rest, only here to bring the stress. Should have known I'm meant to be lonely, yeah, lonely. I'm meant to be lonely. They only come around and they're phony. That's why I was meant to be lonely, yeah. It's just life.